Free, completely free and unlimited. Can you believe it? Higgsfield has once again made almost all of its trending AI tools completely free with unlimited access for 24 hours. They've officially extended the offer, and you now have until July 31st to claim it. If you've been holding onto an idea because you thought it would cost too much, this is the perfect time to build it for free. Film generation, animation, image creation, and many of the latest AI models that normally require separate subscriptions and can cost hundreds of dollars are now available for free on Higgsfield for 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to test some of these tools again and show you exactly how they work. So don't waste any time and let's get your free account set up before this offer disappears. Higgsfield has launched this limited time offer for new users, and I'll show you exactly how to activate it. Here you can see the official list of included tools: image, video, audio generation, and many of the latest AI models are available. Just keep in mind that the available settings and free duration depend on the plan you choose. Now let's create a new account. Simply sign up with your Gmail account and answer a few quick questions. After your account is activated, request unlimited access from this section. You'll need to add a credit card, but don't worry, you won't be charged. It's only required if you decide to continue after the free period. Otherwise, you can cancel anytime before it ends. Now our account is ready. Let's start with the image generators. Inside the image section, you can choose from different AI models and switch them to unlimited mode. For example, Nano Banana Pro is available for free, and you can generate high quality images without consuming credits. Keep in mind that some settings, like higher resolutions, may still require credits depending on the model. You can easily create characters, concepts, and visual assets completely free. Let's also test Seedream 5, one of the newest image models with impressive quality. As you can see, it works perfectly in unlimited mode and the results are really impressive. And of course, one of my personal favorites, GPT Image 2, is also available. Having access to these powerful image generators for free can seriously reduce production costs while keeping professional quality. You can use these tools directly in your creative workflow and generate everything from character designs to production assets. Now let's move to the video section. The process is very similar. You can choose your preferred AI video model, write your prompt, adjust the settings, and activate unlimited mode. For example, let's test Seedance 2.0. I'll create a simple prompt, adjust the settings based on the free limitations, and start the generation. After a few minutes, we have the result, and as you can see, the quality is really impressive. The best part is that you can check your credit usage and confirm that nothing was deducted. It's completely free. You can also test other powerful models like Kling 3, which can generate high-quality videos, or Gemini Omni, which is another interesting option. And if you're not sure how to write prompts for each model, you can use Higgsfield's AI tools to help optimize them. But the tool that really makes Higgsfield special is Supercomputer. This is where the entire content creation process becomes much smarter. Instead of manually working with different tools, you can use AI models as your creative assistants to handle everything from videos and animations to advertisements, games, and apps. And now Supercomputer also has a free mode. I've already tested it in previous videos for creating animations and applications, but today I want to focus on its creative workflow. Inside Supercomputer, you can activate different skills for specialized tasks. For example, this skill is designed for creating optimized video prompts. Let's test it. I asked it to create several cinematic animation ideas in different styles. It immediately analyzed my request and generated detailed prompts ready for video creation. It even suggested creating storyboards or generating the videos directly. Now let's take these prompts and test them with different video models. Start with the first prompt using Seedance 2.0. I'll simply paste the prompt, keep the settings within the unlimited limits, and start the generation. A few minutes later, here's the final result. Honestly, this looks fantastic. The style, animation, and overall quality turned out exactly as expected. And to prove it's really free, you can check the credit usage right here. Nothing was deducted. Now let's try another style. This time I'll go with a AAA game cinematic. Once again, the result looks great. The visuals are sharp, the motion feels natural, and everything was generated without using any credits. Of course, you're not limited to Seedance. You can switch to other models like Kling 3 or Gemini Omni, and even ask Supercomputer to optimize your prompt specifically for whichever model you're using. Now let's try something completely different. A Pixar and Disney style animation. And this one honestly surprised me. The character design, lighting, colors, and animation quality all came together beautifully. You could easily generate several 8-second clips like this and combine them into a much longer animation. Finally, let's test an anime style. And once again, it works exactly as expected. Completely free, no credits used, and the overall quality is really impressive. There are also plenty of other AI tools included in this free offer. All you need is a free account to unlock them and start experimenting. With this limited time promotion, it's probably the best opportunity to try everything before deciding whether it's right for your workflow. If you're interested, make sure you sign up before the offer expires. I hope this video helped. Until next time, stay creative.